This video is to show you that you need to choose the right mode when measuring, because there is a gap between the tape measure head and the hook. Only choose the body circumference mode to measure circumference to get the correct result. If you choose straight line mode to measure for circumference, the gap will not be included in the results. You can use the mode button to switch between inches and centimeters, and long press the mode button to switch between body circumference mode and straight line mode. Next is a demonstration showing you why you need to choose the correct mode when measuring. In this demonstration, we will start off by measuring the cup in body circumference mode. Now let's change the setting to straight line mode, and you will see the measurement difference. This is because of the gap in between the tape measure head and the hook.